Let's watch this.
Sa mundo kung saan galing at dedikasyon ang labanan,
Hindi dinidelay ang serbisyo sa taong bayan.
isang pangalan ang pinarangalan.
The Fama's Best Actor goes to
Isang pagbati kay Piolo Pascual sa pagkakapanalo ng pinakaprestigyosong titulo bilang Best Actor sa 72nd FAMAS Awards para sa kanyang napakagaling na pagganap sa Malyari.
para sa pelikulang Pilipino ito.
Your Pamilya Sagrado family is proud of you.
And Tita Cory is here!
Tita Cory Vidanes, everyone.
Congratulations, Piolo!
Sabi daw niya, hindi naman birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Ito ang aming mga fraternity, guys.
Yes!
Wala naman akong pablo. Tita Cory.
The candle. No, I just came to congratulate you, Papa P. We're very proud of you. Congratulations, Best Actor for FAMAS. And congratulations kasi you made an excellent pilot.
Yes!
You should all watch it.
Piolo, what can you say? A few words from you, please.
Of course, I'd like to thank my ABS-CBN family. They never failed to surprise me and amaze me, and it really makes me feel humble, you know, being part of this family for more than half my life. And I'll always be grateful and humble being here with these guys and with Tita Cory. You know, my life would never be complete without you guys. Thank you. It always feels at home when I'm in ABS-CBN.
Ayan. Okay, let's have a photo. Oh, yes, Tita Cory, go ahead.
I also say thank you very, very much for the many years that we've been kapamilya. You've always been so supportive and loyal. Papa B, thank you. And
Kapamilya
thank you-
forever.
Thank you for unselfishly mentoring all our new artists.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, let's have a photo first. Tita
Anytime.
Cory and
Love you,
Piolo.
Tita.
Tita Cory, kayo muna ni Piolo.
Yes,
ni
Tita
PJ.
Jeremiah, kaya niyo.
Wala ba kayong tradition sa cake na... Na-joke lang. Okay, let's... ano, Carl? Ano gagawin?
At syempre kasama rin natin MJ ang Frat Boys.
Wait, si Kyle and Gray, please join with Tita Cory. And then after this, the frat boys, the frat team.
And then sasagutin na nila yung tanong ni Alex.
Tapos Jeremiah will come out in his Mr. Ginoong Hidalgo outfit.
Kainis.
Okay, come in.
Nako, ang sarap kasama sa mall show nito, MJ, itong grupong to. Ang saya-saya nila
I think
kasama
they had
sa
a
mall
very
show.
successful Bida Kapamilya Caravan
Oo,
last Saturday
na-kick off.
at Ayala Mall's Cloverleaf. Nalalate ako.
Nakakabata kasama to mga to. Tita Cory, you look so good. You look ate.
Tita
No.
naman, tita lang. Ay! Sama. Okay,
And later on, we will have a influencers night with these men and women of...
Oh, Bix, you have to
Pamilya Sagrado.
stay. Mark, andyan ka pala. Mark, manika.
Of course. Cute. That's it. Thank
Okay,
you,
thank
Tita
you very
Cory.
much.
You always find time for us, for your kapamilyas, Tita Cory. Thank you talaga. Kahit sa busy day for Tita Cory, she made it today to make this an even happier moment.
Thank you sa iba pang mga young cast members ng Pamilya Sagrado. Mamaya, makakasama sila sa Influencers Night. Makakamingle natin sila, makakausap ng ating mga friends from the press. Okay, balik natin ang ating... Tita Cory, thank you! We love you, Tita Cory!
I love you, Tita Cory. Love you, Tita.
Bye, Tita.
Okay.
Yeah, Tita Cory, thank you ha. Sa busy.
All right. So, we'll resume with Alex cliffhang question.
Alex, pakiulit yung tanong. Charot, chika nga ba?
Sorry, before I forget. Sorry, before the guys answer the question. May I just quote, I've been with ABS more than 20 years and ang pinakamahirap magpa-approve ng pilot. Pero itong Pamilya Sagrado, palakpan natin ng produksyon. Pilot po namin na-approve. So that's why Tita Cory is here.
Congratulations!
Thank you again, Tita Cory. Thank you for the trust. Galing po kay Tita Cory ang konseptong to at baby po niya ito. So sana po tangkilikin natin.
Yay.
Ibang gumawang ABS. Thank you, Tita Cory. Love you.
Okay. Alex?
Lex? Uulitin niyo yung tanong, seryoso?
Ikaw nagsabi.
Pwede, are you ready to answer?
Kyle's ready.
Okay, go ahead, Nak.
Go ahead, Kyle.
The question is, di ko na maalala.
Tawag dito. Hindi, alam ko, what will the audience learn from your characters considering the fact that stupid that some Filipinos are, ay nauulit yung ganitong pangyayari?
Parang hindi yan yung kanina.
No,
Yan
parang
yun.
gano'n. Pero
Yan
iba yung dulo,
yun.
iba yung dulong question mo eh. Parang, hindi ba parang yung mga Pilipino is parang alam na nga nilang mali, pero inuulit pa
Yeah,
nila.
parang gano'n. Di ba, that's why they don't learn from their stupidity.
So the question is, parang do you agree?
No, what will the audience learn
Ayun.
from your characters?
Okay, ayan.
Okay na kayo? Okay na.
Solve na, solve na. Eh, kasi nauga tayo dun
Let's
sa
rewind the tape.
surprise
Charot.
eh.
Tingin ko po, tulad po ng sinabi ko po kanina, marami pa pong mga eksena na ipapakita kung bakit po mali. Pero, ayoko po sabihin mali kasi nakausap din po namin yung ibang naging parte ng isang frat at kinuwento din po nila sa akin, sa amin lahat, kung bakit nila ginagawa. Di nila nakikita nga ng mali. Pero, syempre, that was the olden times. That's why now, lahat ng mga fraternity, nagbabago na po sa ngayon. And I feel like, kailangan, tulad ng sinabi ni Gray, kailangan namin ipakita kung ano yung mali para hindi po tularan? Para hindi po ulitin. Parang ganun po.
Gray?
Gray.
I think in every system, there's, of course, right aspects and wrong aspects. Especially the violence part, di ba po? Of course, for me personally, my point of view is I think violence shouldn't be the main way to handle a situation. So I think the extent po yung pinapakita namin eh. Kasi everything has a degree. And kapag nasobra ng kahit anong bagay sa buhay po, I think dun po nagkakaproblema. I think, yeah.
One last question. Is hazing a stupid essential or an act of idiocy?
Grabe naman ang mga tanong niya. Ugang-uga.
Buti yan, dun ako sa politics, no? Kaya na yan.
Stupid essential or a...
Act of stupidity. An act of idiocy.
Pasagutin po natin
Yes, Carl.
sa creative.
Carl, please.
Yes, sige po.
Mr. Joel Mercado, the birthday boy, will have something to say about the question dito, Alex, para hindi kami ma-in trouble.
Parang kailangan daw kasi ng intelligent answer niyan from a creative point of view.
To which Joel Mercado declared kanina sa shoot, this is
Palakpakan po!
the most, the biggest teleseryeng na he has ever written.
Wow, come on, Mr. Mercado.
Ano yung tanong?
Anong first song mo raw?
Pakiulit na naman ako, ulit na naman tayo eh. Ano ba yung tanong?
Well, yung hazing naman nasa degrees of hazing. Kasi you can do hazing without the extreme pain, di ba?
Yeah, you're right.
Sometimes yung humiliation during the fraternity hazing could serve the purpose. Di ba? Pero iba na kasi pag nananakit na eh, di ba? Kailangan mo bang saktan ng isang tao para makuha yung loyalty niya? Doon lang naman tayo nagtataka kung ba't kailangan may masaktan, mamatay, magkaroon ng latay. But you can do it other ways. And you can still call it hazing. Well, I wouldn't call tradition a stupid thing. Baka kailangan lang lahat ng bagay nag-evolve, nagbabago. Siguro that time, okay siya, pero nagbabago ang panahon eh. Diba? So, ayoko nang may masabi pa kasi
Okay na yung palakpan natin, Mr. John Mercado.
Pero you get the point, di ba?
Yeah, dapat naman talaga. There's certain degrees, yeah.
All right. Thank you, Joel, for sharing. And happy birthday again. Okay, we are now ready with few more questions with us, especially with Kyle and Gray. Aaron, who will do this?
Yes, partner. Siyempre, wala iba kundi si Papa O. G. Diaz.
Of course, kanina ko ba sa ibigay ang
Pare, hindi mo ako tinanong kanina.
Nawala siya kanina eh.
Nandun siya.
Nag-uusap naman tayo, Papa P.
Tama. May point.
Hindi, sa dalawang bata. So, paano kayo nag-immerse? Nag-immerse ba kayo dito? O pinag-aralan nyo ba yung hazing? Meron ba kayong, nag-research ba kayo? Para lang mas maramdaman nyo yung character ninyo.
Ang galing no, hindi pa pala natatanong. Ang tagal na natin dito. Okay, go ahead.
Hindi pa yata.
Correct.
Paano po kami nag-immerse?
Yeah, nag-immerse ba kayo? Or paano nyo inaral yung hazing para mas maramdaman niya yung latay ng paddle?
Meron din po kaming ex-member ng isang frat na nandun po sa hazing eksena po namin. Tinuruan din po kami kung ano nangyari sa kanya, kung paano nangyari, kung sino mas mataas, yung master initiator, yung pinuno, kung paano po dapat sabihin yung mga creed, yung mga ganun po. Di pa po kasi pinakita yung creed ng Gamma Sigma Psi dito eh. Pero kailangan din namin memorize yun. Pero pinakamalaking bagay po na nangyari po hindi lang po sa amin dalawa, kundi yung buong fraternity, ay naging nanay po namin si Tita Angie Castrense. Si Tita Angie Castrense, naging acting coach po namin, buong frat. At sobra po siya nakatulong sa amin. She really helped us connect to our characters. Minapan niyo po kami kung paano gawin yung mga characters namin, kung paano mga relasyon namin. Napag-workshop po kami, pinagbigyan din po kami ni Dreamscape ng workshop and sobrang thankful po kami. And of course, si Ate Lotlot, of course, naging acting coach din po namin.
Dala yun?
Hindi mo.
Pasensya, mali ko na may kapahalan palang Lotlot.
Magkamagalagad din sinabi ko.
Okay. Gray.
Yeah, of course. Thank you, Kuya G, for the question. And yeah, si Tita Angie was our facilitator ng workshops. And I think just for the character building and the chemistry po talaga, and I would say, yung hindi pa po masyado napakita yung mga scenes sa fraternity, pero I'm really excited to see that personally. Hindi ko pa po nakita. And I think yung number one aspect po talaga na nalabas ni Tita Angie, yung yung playfulness ng bukod sa, of course, there's business side of the college life, yung mga assignments mo sa course mo, and of course the frat. Yung brotherhood pinapakita po talaga namin, yung ride or die and our loyalty to one another. And syempre yung mga biruan ng mga mga kabarkada, yun talaga yung chemistry na na-build up dun sa mga workshops po.
Okay. So, kinilala nyo ba yung mga namatay sa hazing dito sa Pilipinas? Para lang mas alam nyo yung story nila, baka isa sa mga eksena yon, yung mga
baka may mapulot sila.
Na-experience nila, ganon.
Marami din pong kinuwento din po sa amin ng mga totoong nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Meron din po kaming, hindi ko alam kung ipapakita din po namin, pero may eksena din po kami na tinitingnan ni Moises yung mga naging kaso sa Pilipinas. Online lang, binabasa din ni Moises kung ano nangyayari talaga pag mga hazing cases. And marami pong mga topics na itatakal din po talaga ng show na to.
Okay. So, mga veterans, pagdating sa aktingan itong mga kasama ninyo, sila ba ay nagbigay sa inyo ng tips at ano yung mga natandaan ninyo during the shoot na binigyan ako ni Piolo ng ganitong tip, hindi ko ito makalimutan, or si Maylene, si Aiko, si Joel Torre, even Shaina.
I remember one of the fond memories kay Sir John Arcilla. We were just more of the pre-work and research, we were having actually a script reading, and may question ako about my character and one of his motivations, and sinabi niya sa akin na just map it out and learn for you. Kahit iba po yung binibigay ng writer, you as the actor, you have to have your own decision. Like, what in your mind does your character think about what he's doing? And I think that's one of the, in terms of technicality, I think that's one of the biggest na ginawa ko. For the next round, I took the note and I used it and it was super helpful. So I'm very thankful for that.
Okay.
Thank
you. Okay.
Ako po siguro, pinaka natutunan ko po talaga dito. Ako po kasi nakaka-eksena ko lang po si Tito Joel, si Ate Shaina. Yung pamilya pa nila, hindi ko pa masyado nakaka-eksena. Pero I feel like it goes without telling. They don't have to say anything talaga. Pero pinaka natutunan po namin sa kanila yung humility, the love for the craft, yung passion, nakikita niyo po talaga sa kanila. For example, Sir John, nag-script reading pa lang po kami. Tinatanong niya din yung mga kapwa niyang artist, anong nasa isip mo dito? Anong connection yung dalawa? Talagang napapaisip din po kami. And it goes without telling. Di po nila kailangan sabihin sa amin yung mga tips nila. Pero sobrang bukas po sila sa amin. They're very honest with how they feel towards our characters, towards how we attack our characters. And I feel like kitang-kita po talaga namin kung bakit sila tumagal sa industriya.
Okay. So, isa sa magandang halimbawa dyan, si Papa P, na hanggang ngayon ay nandyan pa rin. No? Parang hindi nararamdaman ng edad. Pero Papa P, pagka ganyan na anak mo si Gray, tsaka si Kyle, nararamdaman mo na ba yung edad?
Nabudol nga ako, di ba? Nung nakasama ko sila sa eksena, sabi ko, teka, parang mga tropa ko to, ba't bigla ako naging anak? Siguro sa eksena, ramdam ko, pero pag off-cam, wala na. You know, itong kakaibigan after. Yeah. Come on, let's go, bro.
Okay.
Ano lagi yung tip mo sa kanilang dalawa? Siyempre, kung meron mang role model dyan, ikaw, no? So para tumagal sila sa industriya at makamit nila yung goal nila na sumikat.
Si Gray kasi ngayon ko lang nakasama, but we had the same handler before, si Tita Lulu. So there were things that I was just telling him is to just really be comfortable, relax yourself, because what's important is honesty and sincerity from your expression, from your core. And I guess he really gave it. You know, makikita mo naman sa tao pag open or nakikinig, and he has it. So that's why it worked for us, chemistry-wise, dynamic-wise, because he was really open and very humble. And same thing with me. I'm not a know-it-all kind of actor na ito dapat mo gawin. No, I'll let you shine. I'll let you do your thing, and then we can work it out together if there's something that we can work on and improve together and make the scene work as a team. Hindi yung nag-iisa ka lang or gusto mo ma-outshine yung isa't isa. He's not like that. He's very collaborative, and he makes sure na, you know, ibibigay niya yung best niya. You know, however he can do it. Yeah. With Kyle naman, kasama ko si Kyle sa pelikula last year. So, ang dami na naming pinagdaanan in terms of acting, na expression, nagbi-method pa kami doon. So, nung dumating sa amin tong Pamilya Sagrado, hindi pa kami na-flesh out masyado yung conflict namin. Pero I kind of know already, you know, how to kind of affect him or parang press a button when it comes to having a scene with him, because I also know his dedication to his character, his commitment to his craft. So, madaling turuan. Alam mo, hindi ka mahihirapan because yung pinanood ko kanina, both of them were pretty exceptional. And I must say, they really did a good job kasi minahal nila yung character at minahal nila yung trabaho binigay sa kanila.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Mare, for staying, tsaka for watching kanina. Again, thank you, Oji. I think we're down to our last.
Yes,
Paano?
I think we're down to our last. And that would come from Kate.
Wow! May ganap ko sa balato.
I know. 3 hours na tayo.
Oo nga, pansin mo rin.
Go ahead, Miss Kay.
Yeah. The question is for the three of you na ano na lang yung gusto nyo ma-feel ng audience about your characters na posibleng na-feel nyo rin about them? About your character?
Ako na mauna, total, yung dalawa naman yung last eh. I want the people to be able to say, yun ang nangyayari sa buhay ko. Ano bang choices meron ako? Sa dami ng characters na mapapanood sa istorya nito, hindi maaaring wala kayong isang makaka-identify sa sarili mo. So the choices will come from you. We are just gonna mirror what you are going through, but nasa iyo yung sagot. Ikaw pa rin ang final say.
Nice, nice. Go ahead, Gray.
For me,
Gray, 5 years ago, ibang-iba ka na ngayon. And I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud na natanggap mo tong proyektong ito, Gray. You know how
I'm very
much,
thankful,
diba?
of course. With a character like Justin Sagrado, of course, not a lot of people will be able to relate with him. Kasi syempre, he's the top of the food chain in the country, basically, diba? Po? And I think what I want for me as a actor, I just want the people to sympathize with him. Not even to empathize, just to understand bakit yung isang batang privilege na ganito, kapag napunta sa isang ganitong scenario, bakit niya magagawa itong mga bagay? And I think it comes down to his own survival instincts for me.
Thank you, Gray.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Gray. Kyle.
Gusto ko pong matutunan po ng mga tao. Maging takeaway nila. Siguro, sa napakagulo nating mundo, sa mundo natin na medyo puno na ng kasamaan, a lot of sadness, a lot of anger. Gusto ko makita nila kay Moises na may hope pa rin sa dulo. Kahit inaapi ka ng buong mundo, pakiramdam mo, wala ka ng kakampi. Kakampi mo pa rin siya. Ang Panginoon, lagi kang, di ka nag-iisa. And that's something that Moises is going to teach everyone. The beauty of love, loving someone, the beauty of trusting, and to show the world na talagang may hope pa rin.
Kyle, actually, in the scenes that I saw, parang hindi ka umaarte. Napaka-sincere. Parang,
thank you po.
Ikaw na ikaw. Sorry ha, yung ganong pain, yung ano. Galing, galing.
Thank you po. Siguro na pamahal din po kasi talaga sa akin si Moises. Nakakonect ako sa kanya. Hindi ko akalain na makakakonect ako sa kanya ng ganito. Pero marami akong natutunan kay Moises. Kahit napakahirap ng buhay niya, marunong pa rin siyang umiti. Marunong pa rin siya magmahal ng tao at magtiwala. And I feel like that's something the world needs to learn to.
Go ahead.
That was a good one. Thanks, Kyle. Maraming salamat. Thanks, Gray and Piolo. Again, reminder, Pamilya Sagrado is a fictional original story.
Yes,
Wala tong
indeed.
pinaggagayahan na tao, organisasyon, o pangyayari. Ito ay katang isip lamang. Baka po kasi bigla na lang may
May mga similarity
Oo,
compare.
may
hindi po. We're just storytellers.
That's right. That's right. Okay. Thank you, Kyle, Gray, and Piolo. Kailan ito mapapanood again, ang Pamilya Sagrado?
June 17.
17 po.
8:45 p.m.
Yes.
Wow.
Maraming
Kapamilya
salamat po.
channels. Maraming salamat, guys. Thank you for having us and thank you for joining us.
Papa P, gusto ko na acknowledge sa ating Head of Dreamscape, Miss Kyle.
Miss Kylie
Manalo. And of course,
Balagtas.
Miss Trina, ang gumagawa ng PR
Miss
campaigns
Trina.
natin. Miss Trina, sila Cristel Agnote. Thank you talaga for the hard
buong
work.
produksyon.
Cristel is here.
Maraming
Oh my
salamat.
God. Hi, Cristel.
Of course, Miss Len Martinez.
Happy
Cats,
birthday, Miss Len Martinez, our producer.
Grabe.
Happy
They're the
birthday, Len.
best. Alright.
Andito pala ang buong team ng Pamilya Sagrado.
Aaron, you have someone else to thank.
Yes, congratulate lang din natin si Kyle for being the cover boy of Metro Body.
Wow.
Congrats,
Actually,
Kyle.
Sample.
Water.
Metro Body. Wow.
And
Nice,
also,
ah.
I'd like to thank, of course, our sponsors that gave some stuff to our press friends.
Correct.
Sana na-enjoy po ninyo ang ating Pido Nuts, Biriderm, Turks, Miguelitos. Marami pa dyan.
May pick-up din dyan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you sa sponsors natin. and
Bello
thank you.
Beauty Derm.
Yes, Bello as well. Maraming salamat po at yun.
Okay, I think that's pretty much it. MJ, close mo na.
Of course,
Sorry.
we want to thank our beloved late Sir Deo Adrenal. This
Yes.
was his...
Yes. Ito yung last project.
Yes,
That's
of
right.
course.
That's right. All right. Let's have a photo again. Piolo, Kyle, and Gray.
Ay, sorry. Okay, excuse me.